Hello, welcome to another episode of Marie's Creative Space. My name is Marie, and today I'm bringing you a pink and red Valentine's Day Wreath DIY idea that I completely love. I really hope that you guys love it as well. So let's just go ahead and jump into this new video. Okay, real easy, you guys. I got 4 rolls of mesh over here. One of them is 2. And I ended up not using the dark color, the dark pink color. I cut all the mesh already at 7 inches, all of them. And I'm going to be using the middle of the frame and the outside of the frame, never the middle one. This is how the bundles are going to be looking, and right now I'm going to show you how I'm going to be creating it. I'm going to cut the pie cleaners in half because to me it's easier to attach it to the grid form. I mean, you can do you as you know, it's better for you, but to me it's better cut than in half. Some people even cut the half in half, real tiny ones. I mean, it's all a preference thing. Okay, I'm gonna grab one pink, one white, and the 2 is going to be the last one. So I'm going to be wrapping them like burritos, right like you see me doing over here. I'm going to be the same thing with the white one, and I'm going to use a clip, those pink clips, the $3 have, to hold them until I finish the 3 pieces together. So now I'm going to show you how I did the 2, just like so. If you guys like to see a video, giving you a tutorial step by step, let me know in the comments below, and I come out with a video for you guys explaining step by step. So now you hold it right in the middle, double them inside, and tie it with the pie cleaner, and just like that you got a beautiful bow. Over here I'm going to be giving you another one, a burrito way, just like that. Tie it with a pinch, with a clip, sorry. And now the mesh, you just use your fingers to grab it close to the table, just like that. Grab it in the middle. Try to put the 2 at the outside, because like that is going to look better. And remember, in the way that we are going to be putting this in the grid form is alternating the colors. You're going to see in a minute. I'm going to be showing you. They come out lovely. You see right over here, I did half of the grid already, and you see the one pink is in the outside and the red one is in the inside. And then the next time you go in the opposite way, red and pink, pink and red, and alternating the colors. I mean, if you use other colors, so you're going to be alternating the colors that you choose. But that's how I did it. You see how pretty is that tool? It got like a pieces of snow in it. Lovely, right? Like I say, if you want a tutorial, let me know in the comments below, and I come out with a video for you guys. Real nice, real easy. You see they look like burritos, right? Okay, you guys. Now here is the whole thing. I mean, this is 13 inches. The frame of this grid is with a heart shape. And look how full it look. In total, I used six pieces of mesh, four mesh and two tulle. I thought that I was going to do a bow. That's the ribbon that I'm showing you right over here, and that one is in red. But I changed my mind and I decided to use one of these $3 signs with those beautiful quotes the $3 have around this time. And I'm going to use two pipe cleaners and I'm going to glue them in the back of the little picture sayings over here. And after I glue it, I'm going to be attaching it to the grid in the left upper side. And I'm going to use the pipe cleaners that I attach in the back to tie it in the grid form. And after I finish, I cut the rest like that. You don't got that. I cut the jute twine because I did a little bow that I'm going to be gluing right in top of the little sign like that. I hide that little hole that those signs usually got in the top. And just like that, you got the most beautiful grid. Let me know what you guys think about it. I told you this was gonna be real easy. Lovely. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Remember, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Bye bye.